Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Simply Golden here, back with another What's Cooking video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I make delicious baked stuffed shrimp. This is a quick and easy recipe that you and your family will definitely enjoy. The first thing I'm going to do is gather all of the veggies I'll need to make the stuffing. I'm going to dice them up into small pieces, then I'm going to saute them in some butter. Feel free to use a food processor to complete this process if you'd like. And guys, don't worry, I got you. The measurements and full recipe will be listed down below in the description box. I'm going to lightly season this crab meat that I'll be adding into my stuffing. Guys, this is real crab meat. Do not use that imitation stuff. It does not taste the same. In a perfect world, I'd be cracking open some crab legs to get the meat out, but this will have to do for now. Once the crab meat is seasoned, I'm going to rest it in the fridge until I'm ready to add it into my stuffing. After that, I'm going to grab some Ritz crackers and coarsely crush them. I'm using the original Ritz, not the seasoned stuff. All right, so all the ingredients for the stuffing have been prepped. So let's devein these shrimp. I am using 20 extra jumbo shrimp that I purchased from my local seafood market, guys. When I saw them, it was like love at first sight. They look so fresh and juicy. I just couldn't resist. So I'm going to remove the upper shell from each shrimp, but I'm going to leave the tail intact. Then I'm going to thoroughly clean them by removing the veins and washing them with vinegar and water. Also, guys, to ensure that your shrimp will not tip over once you add the stuffing, you'll need to butterfly them. To do that, just hold your shrimp tail side facing up and slice into the meaty upper part of the shrimp with your knife to create like a flat opening, which basically looks like butterfly wings. Plus, this technique will allow your stuffing to fit perfectly on the shrimp. Now that my shrimp is clean, I'm going to season them with the same dry rub seasoning that I used in my crab meat. Then I'll place them in a foil-lined baking pan and rest them in the fridge while I prepare my seafood stuffing. Time to make the stuffing. I'm going to add some butter to my skillet and allow it to melt. Then I'm going to add in all of my prepped veggies that I prepared earlier. I'm going to add in my onions, my green peppers, my celery, and jalapeno peppers. I'm going to saute that on medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to add in some minced garlic and my chopped parsley. I'm going to allow that to cook for an additional 1 minute. Once cooked, I'm going to remove it from the heat and allow it to cool at room temperature before adding in any additional ingredients. Once my veggies are cool, I'm gonna add in my crab meat, some lemon juice, mayo, and 1 egg. I'm gonna mix that until everything is incorporated. Then I'm gonna add in the Ritz cracker crumble and some Panko breadcrumbs. I'm also gonna add in some salt and pepper to taste. Once you've added in all your ingredients, go ahead and knead your stuffing mix until everything is combined and the mixture is nice and firm. You'll know that it's ready when you're able to pull pieces from the mixture without it crumbling. So let's put it all together. We're going to add our stuffing to the shrimp. So because I am using jumbo shrimp, I'm able to get a large amount of stuffing on each shrimp. So if you're using a smaller shrimp, just use your discretion and go ahead and put as much stuff in as you can without tipping the shrimp over. Once I have packed all my shrimp, I am going to get some butter, melt it and drizzle it on each of the shrimp, and then I'm going to top it with some paprika. I also have my oven preheated at 375 degrees, and I will bake my shrimp anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes or until the stuffing is golden brown. So I am all done with this delicious baked stuffed shrimp. Guys, it looks so good and it tastes even better. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down below in the comment box and I will answer any questions you may have. Also, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.